Field's in the hands of the starter. This field is on gate. They're racing. Mock Pride left for the lead. Between horses, there's American Rage. In the center of the track, Stevensville. And on the inside, it's the Royal Garden. As you bank into that first turn, and on the outside, it's Mock Pride. Tugging a bit on that right line. Battling on the inside, it's American Rage. A gap of 2 to Stevensville in third. 3.5 back then to the Royal Garden fourth. Pacing fifth up the backstretch is Given Up Terror. Then comes Denny Crane, who's about 8 lengths from the lead early on. And then it's a length and a half back to Fiery Luster, and Lockie McGuire N is the trailer. Double digits from the pace setter, and that is Mock Pride, who checks in at the opening quarter in 27-4. Mock Pride at 7-2. Leads it on the paddock turn over American Rage. It's a gap of 2 lengths to Stevensville third. 4 lengths back to the Royal Garden fourth. Trying to grasp hold of the sloppy going. Then it's a gap of 3 to Given Up Terra. Now Denny Crane's got work to do here. Denny Crane's still a good 8 lengths from the lead, but is shifted to the outside. Then comes Fiery Luster, and Lockie McGuire is the trailer just outside the half. And it is Mock Pride who calls the shots here, tracked intently by American Rage. The half mile went up in 57-3, 29-4 second quarter, but the field taking close order now. Here's Stevensville, and Denny Crane is trying to catch that cover second over. Outside of long shot, the Royal Garden. Fiery Luster and Bartlett is third over, 6.5 lengths from the lead. And then comes Given Up Terra and Lockie McGuire. That's the 8 as they move up the backstretch in pursuit of Mock Pride. Mock Pride taken on by Stevensville. American Rage and Denny Crane on the outside is under the whip. And then Fiery Luster. The Royal Garden is fading from the scene. Lockie McGuire has gone past Given Up Terror. 3 quarters, 125-3. 28-second, third quarter, final turn. The battle's on now. Mock Pride and Stevensville and Denny Crane. On the inside, American Rage. To the far outside, it's Fiery Luster, and they're into the stretch. It's Mock Pride fully extended here. On the outside, here's Denny Crane. Stevensville between horses. And on the inside, American Rage. Then Lockie McGuire coming in the passing lane through the stretch. It's American Rage short lead outside. Denny Crane. American Rage and Denny Crane. And then between horses, Stevensville and Mock Pride in 1:54. Photo finish.
American Rage had this exact same 2-hole trip a week ago and could not close the sale. Wound up a non-threatening fourth. Here winds up sitting a perfect 2-hole again to Mock Pride. Gets carried to the lane. Stevensville first up, hangs in there. Denny Crane looked for all the world a winner at 3 quarters, but he's going to hang a bit late. American Rage is going to get the nod.
It did indeed. That was a perfect pocket trip there for Eric Abatello behind the Mock Pride, who had gotten bet rather heavily for the recently hot Brent Holland, and thought he looked pretty strong going around, but he gave way in the lane. Stevens will put in a very solid first up bid, which helped Denny Crane put in striking range. But again, he, as Frank pointed out, he did hang a bit, and the perfect trip wins the race up the inside for American Rage.
American Rage does prevail. 4 wins a season to go. Now 4 for 20 this time out. 265 it is. Winner at 7. American Ideal gelding. Pitbull stable of River Vale, New Jersey. Doug DeLoyne. 2-hole win for Eric Abatello. We're back.